Hi everyone, in our previous video wherein we have cover up resume and the cover letter. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and watch that resume and cover letter, so that our video got stopped due to some technical issues. So we are just covering the format of resumes here, since we didn't had it before. So the cover letter format are still there in that video, and there are a lot of do's and don'ts and what you can do it in terms of how your resume should get shortlisted. That tips and tricks you will get it in that video. So I request you to watch that video and come again in this video also. You can see some sample resume also. So if you're only looking for sample resume, you can still go ahead with this one, but that will give you more clarity about how to prepare a resume. So while making it, is just now you don't have to just copy paste, right? So you need some knowledge about it, and then you can build it. So get the knowledge from that video, and then have have this as an example, and then build your resume. Okay, so this is one the sample exam, then resume, wherein you put your name. This is how you can put it, and then you can put your email. You can put your headings into the like the format should be like, if you see here, all are the same font and the same thing. So you can put your heading like this. Okay, so like you put your education here, then like your higher educations if you're fresher, so Harvard University, and then whatever your educational details and the university details. Then comes to your technical skills, what all technical skills you have it. So in terms of words like machine learning or Java or whatever tools you know it, you can put it here. Then your professional experiences, you can put your professional experiences into the the chronological order. So like from the recent one on the top, and then based on your recent experiences you can put and short down into the way. So for example, here they have put in like Grande Corporate and Invest in Banking, lead a team of 6 people to manage and operate and support to low latency post trade brokerage platform, improve the performance of the straight through processing by turning database applications, reduce the number of major incident by 23% through problem management. So like this, they are it's putting a lot of associate IT informational technology he was in. So he's putting some of the learnings and what exactly his day-to-day things is. He extracted some of the things from his day-to-day and whatever is learning and is putting out into this one. So that is his roles and responsibility basically, because you keep on learning and implementing the new things, and that is how your roles and incorporating those things into your roles and responsibilities. And the key highlight of every sprint is like whatever your learnings, and then the same learnings you're implementing into the second sprint. So I think those are things how you're using it. You have to put it into your descriptions. With what all tools you're using, you can put it here that we modify this thing, that yeah, like in terms of software testing. So I'm leading the team, and supporting the low, and we are supporting this kind of applications, and we are supporting multi APIs. We're working on multiple APIs and transactions. We're automating those API calls for our day-to-day basis, and publishing the results on the day-to-day basis. We segregate a smoke and regression report, and having the comparison reports on every day. Every day we'll via mail, we have automated that thing. So whatever the key highlights of your work, you can put it here. So now the Olsen Financial Associate Information Technology built a new application support team of 5 members. Like automated a new roles giving applications, and wherein and roles given applications wherein the 5 roles has been given to the different team members with a different set of accesses. The tool built it, and we automated that entire functionality through using Selenium, through this framework, whatever framework you're using, you can put it here. And design and implemented global application monitoring platform. So we have designed smoke and regression report for monitoring purpose, and eliminated 80% of manual checks of trading support and details. So eliminating, like for example, how you're doing. So the efforts of daily regression has been reduced by automating the regression suites. Like that you can put it. Okay, now the sample resume page 2, the same page, like if you are doing it into the page 2. So okay, so if it is two, like one and 1.5 page, like since he has more years of experience, so he has to put like every years of experience. it's fine. But when you have 2 3 years of experiences, keep it short. Whatever certifications you have done it, put it here. Yes, put in base, like he has worked on multiple companies, like how many, 1 2 3, and then 5 years of experience. So still it's, for me, I think it's very lengthy. You can make it short, but still he has mentioned everything. Like if you see, developed a web-based point sales application using, so in every years of experience or chronic chronological order, if he goes it, I don't know how to pronounce. Okay, so okay, so every years when he is putting out his experience, he's putting multiple tools into the descriptions and his roles and responsibilities. So you don't have to, you just have to put in the software developer role or software developer roles, and you can put your tools and technology and experiences you have run on it. So 2 3 lines for everything, it's fine. Now again, you see it here, like this is way also you can put it. You can put your LinkedIn also, you can put it here, or you can put your link also for your LinkedIn. You can put your educations, professional experiences, and then volunteer experiences, whatever you have done. So in this one page it's fine. You can put here certification also. So your number and phone number will be covered here only, and your email, your contact information will be here only. You need your education, so your education will be your education details also you can put it. And then always like recent first, okay, the latest one is the first one, and then your professional experiences, okay. And if you have tools and technology, so that you can also insert, like in place of this one you can put, and then professional summaries, and then your certifications. I think these are the points are very much essential, you can put it there. I think that is only required. Like here you can put the summary of it, then core competency, experiences. I think that will be fine. So I think this is the great example. If you want me to send the resume, you can put in the comment section below. And thank you for watching it.